Got the first trip of the year here. We're gonna do a little de-winterizing video at a local park just close to town here. So my jack's a little stiff after sitting all winter. Got a little spray for it. I'll put some on the hitch too. It's just motorcycle chain lube at the hitch here. Give her a good clean out. Put a little more on. I plan to do a whole video on this hitch if anyone's interested. It is the E2 hitch. Couldn't be happier. Make sure everything else is stored away. Yeah, I think she's good. I'll test the lights, have a look at them, be on the way here. They're all on. Nice. Another good thing you want to do after your trailer's been sitting all winter, you want to try your trailer brake here. Just gonna roll ahead a bit. Yeah, I can feel it bucking. So she's good. Settled in at the campsite here. Just wanted to get the trailer cooled down and set up the laptop. Gotta have the entertainment. Gonna go outside and hook up these water hoses and get the antifreeze out of these taps here. It's a pretty easy job. Just gotta take the one drawer out and bypass the water heater and all that, or put it back on when you're done. Got a whole other video on this tire pressure monitoring system. I'll probably put this on. I took it off for the winter, packed it away. Everything seems to be working perfect. Got the fridge running. No complaints. Got her cooled down nice. Yeah, let's go hook up this water. I'm just gonna run this tap here for a minute. I don't have a filter, bit of an oversight. I do have my regulator though. Alright, so we're in my storage here. Just gonna click on this light. Yeah, she works. I'm gonna use the city water just for the first try. I don't normally use it. Normally I gravity feed the tank, but for flushing the lines I'm just gonna put it on city water, and it'll be a good test, make sure it's actually working in that. But then normally I do the gravity feed that's on the side here. Alright, I'm gonna go turn on the water and check for leaks. Nothing obvious at the moment. Tap's leaking. It's fine. Alright, let's go inside. Oh, actually, I'm gonna run this through after. Just a cleaner. After I get the antifreeze out, I'm gonna fill the water tank. And then I'm gonna put this in it. Run it through the lines. Let's turn the air conditioner off. The pressure seemed kind of weak, so it might take a while. Well, that's the cold. We'll go over to the hot. Not bad. In the bathroom here. Clear. Probably could have loosened the plug. Try not to make a mess. Go over to the next tap. It's clear for a minute just because of the clear water that's in the hose, but you definitely wait and it comes out red on the other tap for sure. Assuming you winterized correctly. Doesn't take long. I should probably pull the plug out of this one. I'm just going to repeat that procedure just to make sure. I'm not going to film it, but yeah, no, I'll definitely film the next step. I'm going to shut this off and gravity feed the tank. Because there's there's antifreeze in your pump from pumping it in. Alright, you actually need to use the water pump to get the antifreeze out of that as well. So I'll move that other end over. Make sure the dump is shut. And this is my overflow. I got a valve on it. I got to make sure that's open when you're parked filling it. I close it when I travel, right, so it doesn't leak the water out. I'm gonna dump my cleaner in here now and try not to spill it all over the place. She's full. Alright, go shut the tap off here now. Then I'm gonna finish letting that drain. And then I'm gonna close it so no bugs get in, I guess. This little ladder thing, it's a pain, but it helps. Alright, we're just gonna check the fresh here. 2/3 it says. Pressure's kind of weak, so take a little while, that's fine. Might as well check the battery while we're here. The black, empty. Battery's full. Gonna hook up the radio and the speakers to the laptop here. Get the overheads going. Here's another video. Thin shade. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. The one that's in the door now is foggy. You can't see through it. This one will have a shade pulled down, but when it's up it'll be clear. Nice. Alright, so we're inside here. I'm letting that cleaner soak in the tank for a little bit, you know. Some say you should, you know, go for a drive so it sloshes around in there, or put it in before you leave your house or something like that, but this is the instructions here. So this is the water heater, and it's bypassed currently from winterizing it last year. You don't want to run your cleaner through the water heater. This is the normal operation for the pump here. I'm gonna have to flick that switch so it's like that. It's currently in line with this hose, which is the antifreeze hose you put in the bucket. I got both the drawers out. Got a light here so you can see what's going on. Here's the water pump and here's that switch. It's currently set to the antifreeze suction. You can see the plug in the end of it there. I'm going to switch that over. And this is the drawer with the water heater. I'm not going to do anything yet, because I'm going to run that cleaner through all the lines except the water heater. So I'm going to leave this bypassed for now, and we'll come back to this. Make sure the water pump still works, I guess. Yeah, heard it build pressure there. That's just a bit of antifreeze that was in the pump itself. And some air. A little more antifreeze. Alright, so the pump should have all of its antifreeze out now. Now we're running off the tank here. I'm gonna run it, make sure it's in all of the lines. So that cleaner is gonna soak in those lines. Fill these up. Make sure you empty out all the water that was already in that line. You can smell when the cleaner starts coming out. A little more regular water here. And you can smell it coming out now. For the record, this is the first time I've done this with the cleaner, and I'm kind of making it up as I go here. Taking videos one take. Here's the new thing. Hope you like it. It even looks a little blue. Smells nice anyway. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just run each tap, I don't know, for 5 minutes at a time. We'll get all this cleaner water out of here. Sanitizing solution. Alright, get it all out and fill it up with fresh water. And we'll turn on that water heater and get that fired up. Make sure she's good to go. I'm gonna check for leaks while I'm running the tap here. Alright, I got the water heater here in normal operation with clean water, filling it, got all the soap rinsed out. Hit the bypass, turned it on here, and hit the water pump. You can hear it priming there now, and it just stopped. So I'm gonna go outside and just pop the little valve just to make sure it's full. Then I'll give her a test on the gas there. I'll fire it up, put this drawer back in, and we should be good for water. So my plug leaks. It's not that big of a deal. I got some thread tape here. It gets squished and beat up, I guess. See if I can tape it and stop the leak, and I'll just get a new one. It'd be nice to have the actual hose with a valve on it where you could drain it. So the leak appears to be gone, if not slowed down a lot. It's fine for now. This thread tape really did the job. I'm gonna go inside and fire this up. Let's make sure there's water in there. Yep, she's full. I also cleaned in behind the fridge there too. So it's the evening now, and I am gonna cook some food in this oven. It's the last thing that I haven't used since de-winterizing it, I guess. Make some supper. It's gonna be nice. Everything else worked flawlessly. Put the fridge on gas just to give her a test. Switched over nice. I'm sure there'll be some things tomorrow. A few final things. Make sure she's ready to go for the year. Alright, let's get something to eat.